Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to go for a test drive in a 1963 Galaxie convertible. This one here has a believed to be 390 under the hood. Very clean inside and out. We will be dropping the top, taking her down the road, looking for any kind of flaws. We do that for every car on the lot. Test drive and a walk around. Be sure to check that out. At least we can get to them. We'll have the video up for you. A lot of times these cars are starting to sell without a video, just the detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. So get on there, get your financing ready, and also if you need to get it shipped, we can get you a quote, send it anywhere in the country. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. This is 3 on the tree. We'll be taking her down the road, see how she shifts out. I actually haven't driven a 3 on the tree in a little while, so I'm pretty excited about it. Let's take the top down. Go ahead and get her nice and cool up in here. Sun's out today. It's a great day to have the top down. We do have a power top. Look at her go. Coming all the way down. Good deal. We'll go ahead and start her up. Starts up pretty easy. Gas gauge is down. We're definitely gonna stop and get some fuel. Let's try the wipers. They do work. Let's try the blower motor. I don't think that one's working. Blower motor's not cutting on here. Radio. No radio. What about the horn though? Oh, I thought this one worked. Oh well. Let's take off down the road. Okay, getting ready to take off. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. If it has an issue, it kind of lets you know what the car's about. We don't actually fix anything here. We just buy and sell, and we tell you what's wrong. So let's hit the road. Let's see how fresh I am on this 3-speed here. Clutch is letting out about halfway towards the top end. Okay. Big old steering wheel on this one. Steering's got a little bit of slack in it, about that much. Oh yeah, easy to drive a 3-speed. I mean, car is pulling a little bit to the left. I'm kind of thinking it's the road though. Just slightly going to the left there. Shift her down, see what kind of power she's talking. Just cruising power. She's got enough to get up and get out of the way. Brake wise, that feels good. Stopping fast. Tell you what, everybody's crossing the road today. Turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash here. Gas gauge is on the E, so we're definitely going to stop and get fuel. My buddy's getting ready to pass us in his old Dodge truck. Oh God! Oh, that's funny. All right, getting over in the turning lane here. We are going to pull in the gas station, get us some fuel. That way we don't run out. I'm not running out today, I can tell you that. Somebody took our spot. We'll park on the other side, I assume. It'll be just fine. Let's see here. after this, we'll be getting some undercarriage shots and getting y'all taken care of. Here at the gas station, throw about $20 worth of fuel in here. We'll check that gas gauge out. I think we're reaching that mark now. Sure are. All right. We're at that $20 mark here. So we'll go ahead and pull the gas there. This cap here is very springy, especially doing it with one hand, showing y'all where it's at, but I guess that's good. It keeps it shut, that's for sure. Make sure I get my ticket. Yes, I'd like a receipt. Let's get in here while we're waiting on that and look at the gas gauge. It was pegged on E, so there's the window I had it up while y'all was sitting on it. You can see it's still on E. Let's see if it comes up. Oh yeah, she's working. We can get her started up here. Make sure she's in neutral. Good deal. Let's keep rolling. Okay, so I need to go down the road. We got a Corvette down in a building down here, and the guy wants me to get it out of there for him. So we're gonna stop by his little shop. It's called Newton's Place, Newton's Auto. I want you to check that out. I've mentioned them before. He's got a lot of good stuff. Oh yeah, the brake works. I was wondering what was going on here. Let me see, that's a stiffin. She's a stiffy. Sometimes you can push in and pull. Oh, you push down. All you do on this one's push down. Look at me, I look goofy. All right, let's take off here. It's all right, I always look goofy, don't I, guys? Checking that door, I had it open a little bit ago. We'll do the walk around video over here at his lot. He called and I said, you got a spot over there? He's like, let's put it in the building and do it. I was like, man, probably like that. Something different here, right? Here we go. This one does run and drive pretty good. Nice clean cruiser. The suspension on it's nice. If I was to judge the suspension, I'd probably say 7 or 8 out of 10. It's nice and smooth. I don't know what it is. When I see this car, I think about the girls with the big old glasses on, riding around with a big hat. She's going to the horse race. I should take y'all down to the dam. The dam over here looks crazy right now. We've had a lot of rain. I'm sure you heard about it on the news. The South's taking a pounding down here from the weather. The storms are beautiful, but I don't like all that rain. Cruising up to the red light here. We got to pass the lot. Newton's is on down. I really do think you'll like looking around his place. These mats are trying to fly out, but they do keep the floor pretty clean, so it's worth having them in here. Here we go. People are stopping. Let's see what we got. It's okay, you can go. It's a police officer too. All right. Don't do it. People are ballsy today. They're all over the place. If you've seen my other video that I did today, they're cutting me off, and I had like 4 people cut me off. Just threading the needle. Just wait 2 seconds and you can still be having a good day, that's for sure. We're here at Newton's. Be sure to check his stuff out. Look, they're pulling some trucks out. There, that's a nice C10. He's want me to cut it in there. We can try reverse for you. Y'all haven't seen reverse yet. Look, it's working good, nice and clean. He's even got 4-wheelers for sale over here. That thing looks wild. Can-Am, Outlander. Knowing him, it's turboed or something. What about this little pad right here?
Yeah, perfect.
I like this. See, he's got a nice little showroom. Looks like a Fox body sitting in there. Is a vet I needed to come check out for him. And look, our e-brake even works. All right, I'm gonna do a walk around video here, guys. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me on this test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also share and hit like. That helps us out quite a bit. I do have finance options. You can also get pre-approved for any cars. If you've noticed, we update the website on Mondays, and usually within an hour or so, a lot of these go on hold. That's because people have been watching us for the last couple years. We got about 2,000 videos here on YouTube for you to check out, and gives you an idea of what we sell and how we do it. I do have About Me and Frequently Asked Questions at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. Go ahead and get pre-approved, and I can ship this car to your front door anywhere in the country with my transport company. So I want to thank you again for watching. I got to pick something else to test drive today. I don't know what to pick. Maybe one of these Impalas. Let's do land yacht day. See you later.